Welcome to Hyphen Technologies. Every workday begins with technology you can rely on. High-performance laptops, powerful desktops, and crystal-clear monitors built to keep your team productive from the first task to the last. Behind every smooth operation is a strong IT backbone: servers, networking, and security systems that work without interruption. Smart office solutions that bring control, efficiency, and security to your workplace. Expertly installed, fully supported, and sourced from trusted global brands. And with our premium after-sales support, including warranty claim assistance and free technical support, because your business deserves reliable care. We maintain one of the strongest inventories in the region. Whether you need one laptop or 1,000 laptops, we ensure one-day delivery, fast, reliable, and always on time.